Welcome to day 1 of 9 for IELTS writing. If you want a band 7 or higher in task 1, there is one sentence that is more important than all the others combined. The overview. Without a clear overview, your score is automatically capped at a band 5. Today we master skill 1 at identifying main trends. Most students fail because they try to write down every single number they see. For example, in 1990 it was 10, in 1991 it was 12. Stop! The examiner isn't checking your eyesight. They're checking your ability to summarize. If you list every detail, you aren't writing a report. You're writing a shopping list. Think of the overview like a news headline. If someone only had 5 seconds to look at your chart, what would you tell them? You don't mention specific numbers here, right? You only mention the big picture, like the price of oil generally increased while coal consumption fell. Look for the big moves. What is the highest point? What is the lowest point? Did the numbers go up, down, or stay the same overall? The no numbers rule. A professional overview should almost never contain a specific data point, like 15% or 200 units. Save those for your body paragraphs. Always start your second paragraph with the word overall. It's a signal to the examiner that here is the most important part of my essay. Group the data. If you have 6 lines on a graph, don't describe them one by one. Group them into increasing trends and decreasing trends. Now, I have a task here. Graph showing the use of solar power versus natural gas over 20 years. It's clear that while natural gas remained the most popular energy source throughout the period, solar power saw the most significant growth, nearly tripling in usage by the final year. This works because it uses a comparison, and it also identifies the leader, which is the natural gas. And it identifies the biggest change, which is the solar power. And also, 0 specific numbers mentioned. Here are some pro tips for the overview. Location matters. You can put the overview right after your introduction or at the very end. Most experts recommend putting it second so the examiners see it immediately. 2 is better than 1. Try to find at least 2 main features to mention in your overview to show a higher level of analysis. Now it's your turn. Can you spot the trend? Look at the data and write one overview sentence in the comments. Here's the data. Now, write your overview below. Remember, no numbers. If you're tired of guessing and want to see your actual predicted score, go to test.iatlaz.com. I promise you, our prediction test is a total game changer for your IELTS study plan. So get to know how you can improve now. And that's it for day 1. You've just secured your overview point. Hit that follow button for day 2, where we master vocabulary for trends, the verbs and the adverbs. Hit like if you're ready to conquer the writing exam. And remember, see you next time.